Is BitLife, but with cats. So let's get into the video. So this is Zeppelin, age 0 months. I was born a male Siamese cat in Pittsburgh, United States. The minute I was born, the pet store workers separated me from my mother and put me in a cage of my own. My name is Zeppelin. I am for sale at Parker's Pet Shop for $495. Okay. After pet store employees, Mr. Plunkett, pet you at the wrong spot for the 40th time, you think about your pet preferences and how you can let humans know what you want. Which will you prefer? Under the chin scratches. Okay, age 3 months. Pet store employee Mr. Plunkett has been stressing me out lately, which makes me think there's something unpleasant going on in his life right now. I started tilting my chin up so the humans know to scratch under my chin. Okay, Cyan the cat just sharpened her claws on Jinsu knife and flashed them at you. What will you do? Let's attack her. How will you attack the Siamese cat? Let's headbutt her. And to her jaw. Siamese cat attacked you. She headbutted your face. Wow. Mr. Plunkett, the pet store employee, Mr. Plunkett, yelled at you for fighting with the cat, or the cat with sign. I don't know how to say that name. Guys, comment down below how to say that name. I have no idea. He started to call you a cat off. I can't say it. Cat os. Guys, I can't say some of these words. Don't make fun of me in the comments. I'm sorry. Sorry. What will you do? Meow at him. Okay. I will never understand why Wolfgang Puck, the golden retriever, obsesses over sniffing. Okay. So our happiness is at 50, our health is at 90, our cuteness is at 87, but our respect is at 59. So we need to get our respect up. Upper respiratory infection. You're suffering from. Oh. I wonder what the pet store Mr. Plunkett is thinking right now. Pet Parker has placed you on sale. Our old price was $495. Now we are $370. Wow. They placed us on sale. Okay, Wyatt Allen, a school administrator named Wyatt Allen, is interested in purchasing you from the pet store. How will you behave? Age 62, smells like ramen. Other family members no. Other pets yes. Let's lick him. Say the word. You lick the school administrator's face. Wrong choice. You were rejected by the school administrator. He took home Sky the cat instead. Wow. Lately, I've noticed that my food bowl does not stay completely full, which has led me to the question if the pet store employee, Mr. Plunkett, really loves me or not. Wow. You just noticed the store employee, Miss McDonald Castro, has left the door wide open. Let's surprise us. Yeah, let's escape. Um, you have noticed that Silver.
Stop!
Uh. Oh, we got caught. Oh, Mr. Plunkett's mad. Pet store employee Mr. Plunkett yelled at you for trying to escape. He called you a chonker. What is a chonker? Guys, comment down below what a chonker is. What will you do? Ignore him. Um, I've noticed that Silver the cat only acts nice when humans are around. We are alone, which she is mean. Wow. Oh yeah, our happiness is going down. We really need to get our happiness up. You're thinking about all the humans you could impress if you learned how to open the door. It can't be bothered. So we're a year and 6 months old and still no one's gotten us. Parker Pet Shop has placed you on clearance. Wow, now we're 275. Gordon Esposito, mail carrier named Gordon, I don't know how to pronounce the last name, is interested in purchasing you in the pet store. You will. What do I gotta do? You were rejected by the mail. We keep getting rejected. But our happiness went up, thankfully, and our respect. Okay, Kit Kat. Who names their cat Kit Kat? Is the cat is in heat and is releasing pheromones that are attracting you to her. What will you do? She's 4 years old and we're 2 years old, so we're probably gonna resist. We're getting transferred. Parker's Pet Shop has an arrangement to transfer you to a local animal shelter. They say because nobody wants you. Wow, nobody wants me? That's. Okay. We got transferred to the animal shelter. Okay. You have started a new life in Vasquez Animal Refuge. Okay, there is someone named Kristen Nix, Robert Kaz, and Chazvez, and Wyatt Espinozas. Other animals: Misty, Rachel, Socks, Starlight, Savannah, Ashley, Ariel, Brig, and Nala. So we're 2 years old and still no one's bought us yet. So what just happened? Guys, comment down below what just happened. But I guess this game really just doesn't want us to get adopted. This is sad. I can't believe we haven't gotten adopted yet. So, Cat Life. It's by Candy Writer. There's characters and events in the game. Fictional, yeah. Our respect went down again. Okay, Miss Nix. You are enjoying some alone time when suddenly you feel the animal shelter employee Miss Nix playfully tap your back and run away, enticing you to chase her. What do you do? Probably run towards her. I chased the shelter employee Miss Nix around the room. I caught her and got a big hug. Oh, so our happiness just went up. So I think we did the right choice. Okay. So every time we try to do something oh wait, she smells like cake batter. So I'm guessing that she's a traveling agent named Kira Hughes is interested in adopting you. Okay. So we're getting adopted maybe. Other pets, yes. Other family members. Let's meow her. Why are we getting rejected all the time? It's so stupid. Well, honestly though, guys, comment down below. This is so annoying. Why do we keep getting rejected? I do not like that. It's just, if you can hear outside, it's pouring. And I'm almost 3 years old. And I'm still, no one wants me. Shelter. Mr. Espinozo retired. New volunteer, Miss Reynolds. Or Reynolds. Name, Harbor Reynolds. Volunteer at age 61. Friendliness. That's a low friendliness. We are 3 years old. No one's adopted us. Our current value is Starlight the cat just bumped into you as you walked by. What will you do? Okay, lol, yeah, almost had me. Starlight the cat tucked her eyes against her head and ran away. Okay, so, temptation. You're feeling tempted to sniff? No. I said no because she had a very low happiness meter and, yeah. I'm honestly, okay, so we are imprisoned at Vasquez Animal Shelter Refuge. Wow. Okay, so we are a boy. I just realized that we're in America. Our current value is $301. Okay. You wake up in the morning in your dingy shelter cage thinking about how different your life would be waking up in a brand new home. The thoughts of making you wonder the best part of getting adopted would be, probably, getting pets every day. So we have a respect of 64. Our happiness is at 92. It went up, skyrocketed. We died? We just died. How did we die? I don't even know how we died. Nyla the cat died at age... Wait, oh, that wasn't us. That wasn't us. I thought we died, guys. That would have been scary. She was enthusiased by shelter employee Miss Nix. So Miss Nix killed her. Oh, that's... wants to play. Yeah, why not? Let's get it. You wrestle with, the cat for 16 minutes. Yay, our happiness is 100 now. And we got another ad. This is annoying, but let's end the video off there. If you want to see, us get adopted, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, like I said already, and peace.